town, road to road, door to door, coast to coast. I've been everywhere man can be. From St. John's in Newfoundland, Prince Edward's Copper Sand, and Nova Scotia in the spring. Alberta and Saskatchewan are two of my favorite ones. 'Cause way out there I cut my teeth. All around Ontario, where I learned all I know. I lived in New Brunswick by the sea. Up in the parkland where I finally took a stand. I was living reckless, riding free. Winter finally came and went. I packed the car and headed west. Next day I woke up in BC. Headed east, St. Lawrence calling me. I was sleeping beneath those prairie stars. I was dreaming of the wind, all the places that I've been. I was wishing it would blow you back to me. Only place I haven't been is our great white Northland. I know someday there I'll be.